The AI revolution isn't just happening in Silicon Valley boardrooms, it's tearing through the crypto markets right now, and if you're looking at the wrong charts, you're missing the biggest rotation of 2026. While everyone is obsessing over Bitcoin's sideways shuffle in the mid-$70,000 range, the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, better known as FET, is quietly painting a massive bull flag that could liquidate the bears faster than you can say ChatGPT. We are seeing a sector-wide explosion where AI tokens are outclassing the rest of the market by double digits. But here's the real question. Is this a sustainable liftoff to previous highs, or are we walking into a classic bull trap at the 20-cent resistance? Today, we are mapping the exact path to 24 cents and beyond, dissecting the so-called magnetic zones where the big money is hiding, and revealing why the next 72 hours are make or break for your portfolio. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn market noise into actionable alpha. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and catch these rotations before they hit the mainstream headlines, do yourself a favor, smash that like button and subscribe. It's the easiest way to tell the algorithm you're here for the gains, not the gossip. The data is in from CoinMarketCap, and it is undeniable. The crypto AI sector just posted its best week in months. We're talking a cumulative market cap gain of 16% across the board. While the rest of the market was catching its breath, Bittensor, or TAO, went on a 54% tear, and Render surged 42%. Meanwhile, our protagonist, FET, managed a very respectable 35.8% rally. But, don't let the smaller percentage fool you. Unlike those vertical moonshots that often end in a total collapse, FET is actually building a structural base. According to recent exchange data, we are seeing a fundamental shift in long-term trajectory. We aren't just pumping, we are in fact challenging multi-month resistance levels that have kept this beast in a cage since the start of the year. For months, the $0.195 level acted as a floor, a reliable support that bulls defended with their lives. Then, the floor gave way. Now that same level has flipped into a ceiling. We are currently knocking on the door of $0.20, and the bears are leaning against it with everything they've got. If we reject here, we could be looking at a painful slide back to the $0.15 range, leaving late buyers holding the bag. However, looking at the Chaikin Money Flow, or CMF, something is different this time. The CMF has officially crossed the zero line, signaling that institutional-grade capital is actually flowing into FET, not out of it. We are seeing a tightening wedge on the daily charts, a pressure cooker of price action that is about to blow. The volume bars are growing, the momentum is shifting, and the so-called smart money is starting to position. But the swing structure is still technically bearish until we clear one specific hurdle. The payoff lies at the 24-cent swing high. This is the line in the sand. According to technical analysis from Clifton FX, a decisive break above the current descending trend line, confirmed by strong momentum candles, could unleash a massive bullish rally. My take: I'm watching the liquidation heatmap on CoinGlass. Right now, the 0.195 to 0.205 area is a local magnetic zone. This means there is a cluster of short positions sitting right there, just waiting to be squeezed. If FET can push to 0.205 and actually hold it as support, those shorts will be forced to buy back, providing the fuel for, honestly, a rocket ship straight to 0.24. Beyond that, the next liquidity cluster sits between 0.240 and 0.254. If we flip 0.24, the daily trend officially shifts to bullish for the first time in what feels like an eternity. We are looking at a potential move of 30% to 80% if the volume sustains. This isn't just a random pump, it's a calculated re-entry into a higher time frame trading range. Let's dive into the meat of this chart. When we look at the FET USDT pair on the daily time frame, you can see a prolonged downtrend that started way back when the hype of the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance merger first cooled off. It's been a long cold winter for FET holders, but the spring thaw is finally here. We've formed a series of higher lows in the 14 to 18 cent zone. In plain English, the sellers are running out of bullets. Every time they try to push the price down, a new wave of buyers steps in earlier than before. That is the definition of accumulation. Now, let's talk about the 3-day chart. I love the 3-day chart because it cuts through the noise and the 5-minute chart heart attacks. A well-known analyst, Swiss, points out that a close above the 19.5 to 20 1/3 cent resistance zone on this time frame would be a major technical breakthrough. He's right. When you look at the 3-day, you see these converging moving averages, the 50, 100, and 200-day MAs, all squeezing together. It's like a spring being coiled. When it releases, the move won't be subtle, it will be violent, and it will be fast. I've noticed a lot of people comparing this to the early 2024 peaks when FET was flirting with $3. Look, let's be real, we aren't hitting $3 by next Tuesday, we need to stay grounded. However, the expert opinion here is that once we reclaim the 24-cent level, the path to 30 and 50 cents becomes a lot less cluttered. Historically, when AI narratives take over the market, they don't just move, they teleport. We saw it with Nvidia in the stock market, and we're seeing the crypto version of that play out with the FET ecosystem. However, we have to address the BTC dominance factor. Bitcoin is currently the sun in our solar system. If it sneezes, FET catches a cold. Bitcoin is stabilizing in the mid-70s, which is actually the Goldilocks zone for altcoins. It's high enough to show strength, but sideways, enough to let the AI kids play in the yard. If BTC decides to take a 10% dive, all this technical analysis goes out the window, and we'll be looking at 15 cents again. Always keep one eye on the king while you're trading the pawns. Traders should also be wary of false breakouts. This is the classic fake-out breakout where the price pokes its head above 20 cents for an hour, lures in all the moon boys, and then crashes back down to liquidate them. This is why I agree with Swiss. Wait for a daily or better yet a 3-day close above 20.3 cents. Confirmation is the difference between a profitable trade and a very expensive lesson in patience. The AI narrative isn't just about hype anymore, it's about infrastructure. The Artificial Superintelligence Alliance is trying to build a decentralized alternative to the big tech monopolies. Whether you believe in the tech or not, the market believes in the narrative. And in crypto, narrative is often more powerful than revenue. We are seeing a sector rotation where money is moving out of stagnant meme coins and back into utility plays, and FET is at the forefront of that movement. So, if you're looking for an entry, the smart play is usually to wait for the flip and retest. Let FET break 20 cents, let it come back down to kiss that level as support, and then look for the bounce. Honestly, that is the highest probability setup in the book. Yeah, it's definitely less exciting than chasing a green candle, but your bank account will thank you for it. Remember, we are looking for a shift from accumulation to bullish expansion. We are in the final stages of the accumulation phase right now. According to the Clifton FX analysis, the 30 to 50 cent zone is the medium-term target if the AI narrative stays hot. That's a potential 150% move from where we are sitting. Even if we only hit half of that, it beats the 0.01% your bank is giving you. But again, and I just cannot stress this enough, this requires the volume to stay high. If the volume dries up at the resistance, the party is over, and it's time to head for the exits. We need more than just a technical breakout. We need a full-blown global AI mania and a massive influx of retail liquidity. We aren't quite there yet, but these early signals are exactly how you catch the wave before it turns into a tsunami. Keep an eye on the RSI or Relative Strength Index as well. On the daily chart, we aren't even close to overbought yet. We have plenty of room to run before the indicators start screaming that the move is exhausted. This suggests that the current rally has legs. It's a healthy, grinding move up, rather than a vertical spike that inevitably gets sold off. In short, the path to 24 cents is paved with the liquidations of short sellers who think the AI trend is dead. FET is showing us that it's not only alive, but it's ready to lead the next leg of the bull run. The structure is tightening, the capital's flowing, and the resistance is weakening. If you aren't watching the 19.5 to just over 20 cent zone this week, you're essentially trading with your eyes closed. It's a wild time to be in the AI crypto space, but these are the moments where the real money is made, in the quiet breakouts before the rest of the world catches on. I want to know what you think. Is FET heading to 24 cents by the end of the week, or are we destined for a rejection back to those 17-cent lows? Drop your price targets in the comments. I actually read them, and I love seeing who's got the sharpest eye for these charts. Always remember, I am a professional analyst, but I am not your financial advisor. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward frontier. The AI sector is particularly volatile, and black swan events or Bitcoin flash crashes can invalidate technical setups in seconds. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own due diligence and stay frosty out there. The markets don't care about your feelings, so trade with a plan, not your heart.